In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload music on Soundcloud using your mobile device. So you can download Soundcloud on any app store that you have. In here, click on the upward arrow at the top. And then you will be directed to your Google Drive. So in here, you have to select the music that you want to upload. And you can also put some profile on your music, so you can choose from your gallery or you can take photo right away. So the next thing you need to do is you can put some title to your music, pick your genre, and you can also describe your track, and you can add a caption to your post. And you can also make your post private or public. If you want to put it on public, just toggle that up. If you want to keep it private, then just turn it off. And once you're done with editing, you can just go ahead and save your music. And to check your music, you can just go to your library. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.